Yahweh Praise Assembly, I work with no enya afi into more ashehofa, and I'm so I'm a doctor or say Kwame Despite, and Dr. Ernesto Forisapon Aquasie, and no nakaniti nani edema CAC asafuno, Reverend Dr. Stephen K. Amoni Ekasaye.
So nyame babra bomo osesa wasetena na onsesa wasetena so keke odijumadi bi nso sanhye wonsa ene na ye hunu ewo Evangelist David Kamara abrabomo na jumadi nyame de ahye nsa se ne nyame ayama no no adenti na ono nso nyamma binum won a woni ani daso won a wosusu se asetena abɔ wɔn na wɔn ntumi nu beebra no ɔhyɛ wɔn kuna sɛ sei na nanka menso mabrabɔ tio nanso onyame ama mabrabɔ asesa enne ye babedi afe ɛwɔ ni onyame ayɛ no ɛne adwuma nso onyame de ama no ɔdɔfoɔ sɛ woma onyame kwan a ade papiere ɛwɔ wo mu no ebepie onso makwan na erade madepa no empie mfiri wo mu na wobɛyɛ nhyira ma nipa bebree na ya onni bi no nyame de wobɛyɛ bi ama no ɛno na ye hunu wɔ ha a na ye nyina behia ya celebrate onyame wɔ ne nkonimdie mu.
Dr. Ernesto Forisapon, CEO at the Emma Special Group of Company and Sukasai.
For about a year now or more, we've been following his activities, and I believe that God will bless him for having the heart, even that passion to help these people. All that we would say is that we would entreat him to continue to do what he's doing. He should never be discouraged from what he's doing. He should try and fight against all forces that will try to discourage him from what he's doing. We strongly believe that in the near future, the international world will even recognize his activities. Our presence here alone shows and tells you how much we love him, how much we are ready to support him, and I would stand today and say that we would forever remain a pillar of support for him.
Kwanche for penny a day Emma Special Eyes, Kwajo down Sudodu and Sun Samuni.
And yes, it's cabin open a thing for, but there's a way to evangelize, and get people to Christ. There's something that I'm really pleased with. I had in crime power. The blessings a man a lot of blessings, and it's going to bless everyone. And one thing I say about supporting him because he's doing something very good for society and humanity, and it's in your best supporting him.
Now, so for one no and a Yahweh Praise Assembly no ano Evangelist David Kamara and so Ekasai.
My job is to go out there, reach the lost souls into the saving grace of our Lord Jesus Christ. This vision just came. Yahweh Praise Assembly just came last year, somewhere January. Okay, so as the Lord said to me, I should set a tabernacle for Him for praise and worship only. So I did it, and by the grace of God, it has been good.